I wanted so bad in life to have a stable career. Every step I took, my mental illness held me back. As a Vietnamese American, a lot of my extended family didn't understand that. They sort of told me, snap out of it, but I kept fighting. My name is Travis, and I am a CalABLE ambassador. My disability is bipolar disorder. I didn't know what was going on until I was diagnosed. In just a blink of an eye, I lost my job, I lost my career, I lost my mental health. It felt like I've been defeated in life. The federal government automatically gave me SSDI. And now, thanks to the CalABLE program, I'm able to save more money. I contribute on a regular basis. But the cool thing, as I realized my money was growing, I was actually pretty surprised at how easy it was. Put in your name, put in your social security, and boom, your account is there. We're living in a time where people are living paycheck to paycheck. A lot of people don't think about investing their money. They don't think about putting money aside. They're not aware of the tax-exempt benefits CalABLE offers. I see a path forward. My mental health has improved a lot. I'm working part-time. As I continue in my journey to establish my career, I have a safety net to rely on. It gives me a lot of peace of mind. There is help if you want to go back into the workforce. Opening up a CalABLE account is easy and stress-free. Mình là CalABLE.